What's up, guys? I'm super pumped because I've been waiting for this for a while. This is actually June's Gobstone Alley flying parcel. They were delayed a little bit. Their supplier for something was like a little late. And they kept me pretty informed on that, so that I appreciated. So I am ready to just see what's in because I've heard good things about this, and I have not seen what's in it, but I've heard like good things. So I'm pretty pumped. So we're just going to dive right in. I am so excited. Do you see this? I am so pumped. I love Harry Potter. This is like my Harry Potter like space. Well, it's my office, but I mean I have it themed after Slytherin. So there's my Slytherin common room. It's a little messy right now, but you see the green and the black and everything. I love it. I'm so excited. So I'm so pumped. So we're just gonna get right into this. I'm like I have like butterflies right now. I'm so pumped. Okay, so we're just gonna go. Okay. So you open it and you have your house colors. Now, I know that I said this is my like Slytherin room. The thing is, I'm a Slyvindor. I don't know. I was sorted twice. The first time I believe I was Slytherin. The second time I was Gryffindor. I had like lost my logins or something and whatever, and they were taken at two separate points in my life. So I'm both, but I'd say I more identify as a Gryffindor, if that's even. So I chose Gryffindor. And you open it up. Looks like the first thing is a wearable. So yeah. Oh, look it. It's called Hedwig. And it says, "Don't count your owls before they are delivered." That is cute. I love it. I'm so excited. When you register, they ask you what size you are. In t-shirts, I'm an XXL. I don't like them to cling too much, but I am so excited. Look at that. Can you see it? Can you see it really good? Oh, I love it. That's exciting. I love just hanging out in t-shirts, so this is a good thing to have. Especially because it's Harry Potter. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at all this. Okay. So I'm just going to grab the thing that's on top. It says Cozy Elves, Magical Drinks and Sweets. Cho Chang Summer Tea. Ingredients: sencha, lemon, mango citric acid, sugar, mint, blackcurrant, leaf, lemongrass aroma. Tea 2 spoons for a mug. Brew temp 185 Fahrenheit. Brew for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm not like a tea person, but I'm like, this will either be like a decoration for me or I'm actually going to try it. And I don't have to use the whole thing to actually try it, so I might do both. So I'm gonna, oh, that smells so good. You can't smell it, but look at it. Look at all that in there. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, that makes me excited. I love it. I love the Cozy Elves. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so that's awesome. All right, next, I'm gonna grab this thing. Okay, so pumped. Oh my god. All right. So this is nicely wrapped. I'm just gonna throw that down there. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. This is so cute. Flourish and Blots ink. So I'm assuming it's just ink. That is so freaking cute. Oh my goodness. It looks like it's blue. Oh my gosh. I gotta be careful. My kids already spilled paint on this carpet, so that is so cute. Okay, look at that for real. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is so, I just think stuff like that is so freaking cute. And I love it because I remember growing up, I always was like, man, I just wish we had more, you know, of this magical community stuff like available, and now it's like available and I'm so pumped. I love it. So yeah. Okay, next thing. It's like a candle, and I love candles. Oh my gosh. The end of the year feast. Incendio candles. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 100% vegan. For my vegans out there. My best friend is vegan. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It's got a piece of cake on it. It says strawberry, so it's probably just strawberry. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look how cute it looks, like a strawberry. Oh my gosh, it smells. I don't even want to burn it because like I love this so much. I don't even want to burn it, but I'm probably going to a little bit. I'll probably just keep it like in here because I'm selfish. Okay. Next. All the little new, oh my gosh, there's so much. Okay. Oh, it's a little pin. And it's just the Hogwarts crest. It's got all the little houses on it. Oh my gosh, I love this. I need to get like a little pin board because I did have a loot crate once that I got for my birthday. And I have this little Tom Riddle diary pin. So I think I might create like a little board in here. Like maybe right here. And I can put all my little pins on it. How cute would that be? And my hair is falling down. I'm not having a good hair day, but I'm having a great makeup day. All right, next. Enough. All right, what's this? Oh, this is a magnet. And it's the Hogwarts crest. Oh, I love that. I need more magnets for my fridge. So that is going right up there. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so cute. Okay. Oh, we got a chocolate frog. We got a chocolate frog card. And it's Remus Lupin. Oh my gosh. I love Remus. I love him so much. Do you want me to read it? I'm going to read it. Remus Lupin. Professor Remus Lupin was a half-blood wizard and one of the best defense against the arch teachers Hogwarts ever had. Stop. I'm going to cry. I can't do this. I can't do this. Okay. Attacked by a werewolf as a child, he became one. He was one of 4 marauders and created a secret marauders map. After school, he joined Order of the Phoenix and fought in the First Wizarding War, in which he had lost all his closest friends. Married to Aura Nymphadora Tonks, with who he had a son, Edward, they both died in the Battle of Hogwarts in Second Wizarding War. Remus Lupin was posthumously awarded the Order of Merlin First Class. I love Remus. Oh my gosh, that's so sad. I have a chocolate frog card that came with a chocolate frog from Wizarding World of Harry Potter, but I don't have one like this. It's just like by itself. So that's great. That's awesome. All right. Next thing. Let me get another little wrapped thing. They promised that this box would be so good to make up for it being late, so I'm pretty happy. Got another. Oh, this is wrapped pretty good. Okay, what is this? What is this? Oh my gosh! Wolfsbane potion! Eases the symptoms of lycanthropy. Drink once per day leading up to the full moon. Oh my gosh, which, you know what this is for. Werewolves. Look at that. Look how cute. Gosh, I love it. And the cap doesn't come off, so. This is for decor purposes only, it looks like. Oh my gosh. And that goes, listen, that goes with this. And I love it. I keep thinking my camera's over here, but you're right there. So, yeah, that goes with, I'm so excited. Okay, we're fine. Everything's fine. We're good. Okay. There's more little things in here. What's this? Playing cards, which I do actually, it's so funny because I saw that these were in previous boxes and I actually have like a couple sets of these cards, which is crazy because I just bought them because like when I was younger, I just bought Harry Potter or whatever. But yeah, that's exciting. Oh my goodness. Harry Potter. I love it. Oh my gosh. I have never actually played this. I just kind of bought them because they were Harry Potter. But I might kind of like look at it a little, see what we got going on. But it comes in this cute little envelope. Super cute. Alright, we're going to grab this. We're just going to go for it. Oh my gosh, what is this? What is this? Let's see. Oh my gosh. Guys. OMG. Oh gosh. If this is not the most beautiful quill you have ever seen, look at this. Oh my gosh. And it's black. It's beautiful. I'm literally gonna cry right now. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And obviously this goes with our ink. This is freaking amazing. Seriously, so great. I am so pumped about this. I kid you not. Sorry. My shirt is like really awkward, so. But oh my gosh, this is so freaking amazing. I love it. Don't cry. Don't cry. All right. Next thing. Oh. it's a little Gryffindor coaster. I love this. Hey, look. Oh my gosh. I love it. I am always having like drinks here, okay? And I hate when they sweat, but I'm like, I don't want to go out and buy coaster. I don't know. I'm a weirdo, okay? Just ignore me. But this is exciting. I need a drink. I'm going to set that on my little coaster there. Next. Feather pen nib, the writing collection. So I'm assuming these are extra little nibs for our little pen. Oh yeah, it looks like they come off. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure out how to do this without harming it. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That is amazing. Look at that. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Okay, we're fine. I think we're down to the last little thing here. Let me just make sure we don't have any other items. Oh, we have a couple. Okay, just one actually, I think. It looks like we have a Gryffindor banner. Little Deathly Hallows. Gryffindor. Just a cute little Gryffindor banner. It doesn't necessarily go with anything in my house, but I have this little this bookshelf right here, and I have like a couple Harry Potter shelves, so I'll probably like hang this like against the back of it as like a decoration. That is amazing. I love this. Look at that. Look out. Love it. Okay, I think that is all. Yeah, that's what it looks like. So, there's this little piece of paper. Alrighty. 6/2018 flying parcel. Tell us what we got. T-shirt. It's a fair trade tee with custom print. Creature says you better don't wash it above 50 degrees Celsius. Black swan quill. I'm assuming that comes from a swan. Flourish and Blots blue ink. Incendio candle. Strawberries and cakes that remind us of the end of the year feast. Hogwarts crest metal pin. Hogwarts crest magnet. House themed garland. Show your pride. Set of calligraphy quill nibs. They can be handy with your ancient runes and sky maps. House themed coaster. It will protect your desk. Harry Potter trading card game cards. Wicked, isn't it? The best HP game ever. Now Gobstones sounds boring. Visit our webpage to read more about it. Remus Lupin chocolate frog card. Cozy Elves tea. Cho Chang's refreshing green tea. So it's a green tea. And Wolfsbane potion. Looks like I got everything. Oh my gosh, I am so freaking happy with this. I am like in love. Like here. If anybody knows me, I am like a Harry Potter fanatic. Now, I might not always have like the funds to buy new Harry Potter stuff. And I have a lot of things I'm a fanatic about. Like I also love Star Wars and all. But like I'd say Harry Potter is like maybe my main. Because it got me through a lot in my life when I was younger. But this is so amazing and I love it. I had the Loot Crate before. I really like that. The past few months I saw a couple bad reviews that I just didn't want to chance it. And then I saw this and someone said that this was the best box that they've seen. So I took a chance. I ordered it. It is coming from across seas. It looks like Poland. So the shipping was a little hefty. They do have an option where you can pay shipping like 3 months at a time, and it's a little cheaper per month, I guess you'd say, but you do pay a lot more up front. So, all in all, I'm happy. Like, I am so ecstatic. I just love Harry Potter stuff, and I love that this is not like, I don't know how to put this. I like that it's all unique. I don't like when I have something that's, you know, like just mass produced and like everybody can get it. I love this. It's so unique and it's stuff that like would look good. It doesn't look, you know, licensee, franchisee, you know. I wouldn't say cheesy because I do like the licensed stuff, but this is so cute. Like, oh my goodness. Like this, you can make like go in any room you want. It wouldn't have to be necessarily a Harry Potter themed room. This is amazing. And I'm shocked. I'm blown away, and I think I might be ordering again. I just don't know when, because I don't know if I'll get them in time for their August box, but I am pretty pumped. I am loving it, and I'm gonna go figure out where I can put all this stuff because I'm so happy. Oh, I cannot believe I teared up, honestly, but you know, the first time I walked into Wizarding World of Harry Potter, I cried. So I mean, hey, that's just the kind of person I am, and that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. I don't know if you really did, because I'm like a huge nerd and like a complete baby when it comes to this stuff. So I really hope you enjoyed it. If you like my video, if you want to see more stuff like this, like, subscribe, comment, let me know. I love interacting with other people and just talking about this and, you know, whatever comes to mind. I have a couple other videos planned this week, so I'm super excited. Other than that, you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.